Do you know how to say eyes, nose, and mouth in English? Let's learn body part names easily. Head. Head. She touched her head because it hurt. Face. Face. His face looked very happy today. Hair. Hair. Her hair is long and curly. Forehead. Forehead. He wiped sweat from his forehead. Eye. Eye. I can't believe my eyes. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. She raised her eyebrow in surprise. Eyelash. Eyelash. A small eyelash fell on her cheek. Ear. Ear. He whispered in my ear. Nose. Nose. My nose is blocked today. Mouth. Mouth. She opened her mouth to speak. Lip. Lip. His lips were very dry. Tooth. Tooth. She brushed every tooth carefully. Tongue. Tongue. He burned his tongue on hot soup. Chin. Chin. He rested his chin on his hand. Neck. Neck. She wore a scarf around her neck. Shoulder. Shoulder. He carried the bag on his shoulder. Arm. Arm. Her arm is getting stronger. Elbow. Elbow. He leaned on his elbow while studying. Wrist. Wrist. She wears a watch on her wrist. Hand. Hand. He raised his hand to ask a question. Finger. Finger. She cut her finger while cooking. Thumb. Thumb. He gave a thumb up. Palm. Palm. Sweat covered his palm. Chest. Chest. His chest felt tight after running. Heart. Heart. Her heart was beating fast. Back. Back. I hurt my back yesterday. Waist. Waist. The belt fits around the waist. Hip. Hip. She put her hands on her hips. Leg. Leg. He stretched his leg before running. Thigh. Thigh. She felt pain in her thigh. Knee. Knee. He injured his knee in the game. Calf. Calf. His calf muscles are strong. Ankle. Ankle. She twisted her ankle on the stairs. Foot. Foot. My foot feels cold. Heel. Heel. Her heel hurts in new shoes. Toe. Toe. He stubbed his toe on the table. Skin. Skin. Her skin is very soft. Bone. Bone. He broke a bone in his arm. Muscle. Muscle. She built more muscle at the gym. Blood. Blood. Blood flowed from the small cut. Brain. Brain. The brain controls everything we do. Lung. Lung. Smoking harms your lungs. Stomach. Stomach. His stomach was growling. Liver. Liver. The liver helps clean the blood. Kidney. Kidney. The kidneys filter waste from the body. Spine. Spine. The spine helps us stand straight. Rib. Rib. He felt pain near his ribs. Jaw. Jaw. Her jaw hurts when chewing. Nail. Nail. She painted her nails red. Beard. Beard. His beard grows very quickly. Well done. You learned 50 body parts in English. Next, let's learn clothes and accessories.